video on Indian breakfast recipes for kids, where we will see Indian toddler kids breakfast recipes which are healthy Indian breakfast for baby overall development. And also which are super healthy and tasty breakfast for toddlers. You can refer them as yummy, tasty, and healthy snack recipes for kids. Having said that, let us now see the Indian toddler kids breakfast recipes. Hey there, you lovely ladies. You are watching Women's and Baby Care on YouTube. Welcome back to the channel, and if it is your first time, you are welcome, it's pleasure. If you not only wanted to know about women's and baby care but also wanted to learn about the various psychological, social, and emotional considerations that you need to take care during your pregnancy, then don't miss to hit the subscribe button at the bottom of this video. Number 1 Indian breakfast recipes for kids is Ragi dry fruit. This is one of the simplest breakfast option you can try. Made with ragi, also known as finger millet, flour, and milk, this is one of the first solid foods that Indians give to their babies. A wholesome choice for a great meal, it comes packed with calcium and iron. Do not forget to mix in roasted almonds and walnuts for protein while serving alongside apples. Another Indian toddler kids breakfast recipes is carrot coriander idlis. Idlis as such make wonderful breakfast options. These steamed delights are quite often served with various types of chutneys or a spicy mix lentil powder along with oil. Here the breakfast options with goodness of carrots and coriander create interest to eat. Make sure you serve them along with 6 almonds and a glass of milk for a complete meal. Number 3 nutritious Indian breakfast recipes for kids is Paneer Dosa. Paneer is good source of protein. This Indian cottage cheese is so versatile that you can mold its flavor and shape to tempt your kids to eat breakfast. Number 4 Indian breakfast recipes for kids or Indian kids tiffin recipes is vegetable upma. Made with cracked wheat, this makes a wholesome breakfast. Keep the veggies chopped the previous night to simplify your task. You can even add 1/4 cup of roasted mung dal for making this balanced meal. Number 5 healthy and tasty Indian breakfast for toddlers is vegetable poha. Poha is tasty and can be prepared easily. Just make sure that you have the veggie handy to zest up the health quotient of breakfast. The peanuts and peas give the protein. Serve it with curd garnished with chaat masala. Number 6 Indian toddler kids breakfast recipes is spinach corn paratha. Paratha are filling. And, when it comes with a dose of high nutrients from spinach and corn, words know no bounds. And lastly, number 7 Indian breakfast recipes for kids is veggie rice noodles or Sevai. All kids love noodles. Why not give their favorite noodles a twist by serving homemade rice noodles with veggies? It is not a tedious job at all, as you get instant rice noodles in the markets. That is all for this video. We thank you for watching this video. Also do not forget to watch our next video. If you find this video useful, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Women and Baby Care. And leave a comment below about how you feel after watching this video. See you in next video. Till then, tata, goodbye, sayonara and take care.